Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to show you how to sign up for the SunTrust bank account. But before that, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on post notifications so that you won't miss any of our videos. So without any delay, let's get the video started. First thing you need to do is open browser on your phone or on your desktop. Then enter the URL suntrust.com. Once you do that, you'll be forwarded to their website and click on the sign on button at the bottom of the page. So then you'll need to click on the sign up now button. After you do that, you'll then be required to select between any of these options in order to begin your setup process. So I'm going to choose SunTrust account or loan number. Then click on begin enrollment. After you do that, you'll then be required to enter your personal information. So first thing you need to do is choose between your account types. So choose any of these and then enter your account number. After you enter your account number, you'll then be required to enter the last 4 digits of a social security number. So enter that. Once you do that, you'll then be required to enter your zip code. Once you fill in all your information, click on next in order to proceed to the other sections. You'll then be required to enter some of your other information, and once you do that, your account will be created. So there you have it. That's how you sign up for the SunTrust bank account. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe and turn on post notifications. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.